Okay, we're done playing doctor. She's done playing with the wheelbarrow for right now. So she's gonna help me, because she's the one that made the stickers and she made them like overlap in a certain way. So she's gonna help me stick them on, because she said that a way to do it and I wasn't listening. Big surprise. So we are going to go stick these on right now. And I just put a blue line on the van, more or less where the center is. Oh, sorry, you got that too. Cool. So I'm using the bracelet thing. So she's gonna help me with it, and then we're gonna make this thing not look as creepy as it does, because when I pull up anywhere on the side there is nothing, so you have no idea what I'm doing. Am, you coming? You can stay in there too, that's cool. So yeah, so she's gonna stick this little turkey up there, and then we're gonna probably do a little time-lapse dance.
Oh wow, it's hard to see out here.
Oh, my glasses?
Yeah.
It's bright as hell out here. Especially the white van after I just gave it a little bath like that, a little hand bath. Good job, Amy. You okay?
Yeah.
Don't bend that or nothing, okay? We need that. Think? No, we're gonna put it on the van.
Well, I'll put it in a pan.
Okay, you can put it on the van. I don't care.
Mom, can
Hold on, man. I mean, it's such a simple process, but normally, yeah, well, it's a big pain in the butt, especially when it's in quarters like this and everything. But eventually, when we get a shop and everything, I want to do wraps and installs like this, and window tint and PPF and all that stuff. So there's bigger plans involved with all this, not just running it out of Chester here. But and this is always a clown show too when we try to do this, because it doesn't always go right the first time. Yes, look at that. Hey, Em, you gonna bring that over here? Why do you have so many pieces? You crazy child?
I need them.
Yeah. Yeah, see, she's doing it the smart way, because I would have just stuck it on there and then figured out where to go with it. But we got one of us. Yeah, we got one of us is intelligent. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a time lapse, so we just do both sides and get this done, and then just have another video wrapped up, and just kind of proof that we're trying not to make this thing as creepy as it is, and we're trying to bring it some life. So here we go. So we quit doing the time lapse because there's a few mess ups. So, and they yeah, I wasn't a big fan of them. So we messed up on the front one side, so we had to redo some stuff. And then I set the camera down here so I could record what I was doing. Thought it was on time lapse. It was a 23-minute video because I hit the time lapse and I messed up. So I wasted these two stickers. I had these two, and these didn't turn out too bad. These actually look pretty good. I mean, they're not too bad. The other side though looked like straight gross booty, like that all gut no butt kind of booty. It's horrible. So we went through, or I went through it, I redid all this with the other side, and some of the bubbles are disappearing now because the heat's been beating on it. But I mean, it just looks bad. It looks like diarrhea. So I went and I told her, I was like, dude, we need to redo this. This looks like crap. So I had her print me out bigger ones. I don't know why that didn't happen to begin with, but they're bigger and they're not cut weird. And they see, I mean, that is way bigger. So we're actually going to go through and we're going to pull these off. I'm going to redo the cleaning with the waterless wash. But I mean, just like that is way bigger, like so much bigger. So we're going to make that look a whole lot better, and then it's going to be more legible as well. But yeah, it's just like, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was the sun, if I was sweaty, if I was just irritated or what, but I don't know what happened with that. So we're going to peel all that off, we're going to re-clean it, and then we're going to start knocking it out, making it look all good and pretty and everything, and then we're going to actually be able to have the final reveal of it being all taken care of. So I'm going to get the materials, get the supplies, start the time lapse, and we are going to knock this out. Here we go. This side, a little less diarrhea. We got some vinyl to fix that. That's a little easier to fix on the gap that was gonna be here, but I just, the overlap, I messed up. I put it too far down because I got excited, so I kind of kicked everything off. But yeah, no, that is pretty dang visible. I kind of wanted to put it on the doors, but I thought that would have been a pain in the butt. But yeah, so now we are gonna march on over to this side and de-sticker this and put the new one up and hope for the best. Hope it looks good or it looks better than what it did. So we are gonna get to that right now. Voila, and she's done. Finally, it's not as weird looking. Plain white van with only a couple stickers. Now I actually have something on the side. I mean, I'm 10, about 20, 25-ish, 30 feet back. I mean, you can see it pretty good. And this one went on way easier than the last one because I think it was just cooler on this side. But yeah, no, it doesn't look too bad. There's a little bit of bubbles, but that was kind of expected. But yeah, not too bad for not really being intelligent enough to piece stickers together. Eventually we're gonna, obviously we got to fix that. I mean, it's not too bad though. I mean, it's not complete diarrhea. It looks way better than the small one, and it's bigger, so you can actually read it when I drive by. But that's it. We're done. We are finally looking a little more official. Now I don't want to go too crazy with it because hopefully this isn't going to be around forever, so I don't want to go really crazy and just completely wrap it or anything. Eventually we have other plans for other things to really brand it like crazy, but as for right now, I think that's pretty good. We got the front, got the back, got the Instagram, T&A detail, T&Dad detail. Kind of got a cool idea for a logo that we might put on the hood of it, maybe for some shirts and stuff. And then we got, but that's for another time. And then we got the T&A logo up there on the top corner, and then we got this side. So yeah, that's it. That was just a little video about not making the van creepy anymore. So hope you guys liked it. I thought it was kind of fun to film. It was kind of a pain in the butt. I didn't film the second time lapse just because the camera glare was just like, the sun was right in the lens, so that's why I didn't film it. I mean, it was the same process, way smoother though, way quicker, and I didn't get frustrated or struggle on one of them or anything like that. And I put it all correctly, so it all fits nicely. But yeah, that's it. That's it for today. So I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. Appreciate everybody that's watching and everything. Means a lot. Alrighty guys, see you on the next one. Peace.